Alright, today in our video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use your one variable statistics command in your graphing calculator. First, we have to understand what and where we're finding this. So if you notice on the very top of our screen, we have a set of data, and what we need to do is we need to place this into our edit in our statistics menu. So if you notice this window right here, the way to get to that window is what we're going to do first is we're going to press stat on our calculator. Now we want to be able to put this big list of 24 numbers into our L1 menu. And the way to get to our L1 menu is we just press enter in our statistics window. So as of right now, if you'll bear with me, I'm going to put all of these numbers into our calculator, and we just want to put them all in one list. We don't want to separate them at all. We're just going to go down the line. Now, I always put my numbers in left to right because it's natural to read left to right instead of up and down, up and down, up and down. And you're also going to notice if you count these numbers, we're going to have 24 numbers. Now, if you go up, if you notice right here in our calculator, we have our L1 and our 24th number is going to be 12. All right, now that we have our data set into our calculator, I personally love to go back to my main screen. I like to see the blank screen, that way I know that I'm doing this correctly. Now from here, we need to go and get our one variable statistics. I'm going to explain to you what all of those stat means. So to get to this menu, we're going to go back to our stat menu, and then we're going to go over to calculate. So stat over calculate, and again our one variable statistic is number 1. We just want to press enter. Now again we have a list of numbers. We've already got that list of numbers in. We do not have a frequency list. Therefore, for our frequency list, we don't need to put anything in there. And then we want to leave it blank. And then from there, we want to calculate. So from here, we get a very big list of statistics. All right. And in the statistics menu, we're given a couple of things. Now I have them right over here for you. It's the same menu. All right. So I'm going to explain to you what each one of these means. So the X bar. Now the X bar, it actually means our sample mean, but our calculator just gives it as the mean. So whether you're being asked for sample mean or population mean, we're going to use our X bar as our mean. Now, if you notice, we have two standard deviations here. Now, these two standard deviations, all right, are different. Okay, our SX is going to be what we call our sample standard deviation. And then this other symbol, which to me looks like a O with a haircut, is going to be what we call our population standard deviation. Now the way that I know the difference between the two is going to be our S goes with our sample, and then our sigma goes with our population. Okay. Now the other thing that we have to look at and we want to make sure that we understand is our calculator gives us what we call our 5-number summary. Now, our calculator also gives us our n value. If you notice right here, that's the number of values that we have in our list. And then this right here is going to be what we call our 5-number summary. So our 5-number summary consists of our minimum value, our first quartile value, our Q1, our median value, our third quartile number, our Q3, and our maximum value. And again, this is called our 5-number summary. So from all of this data given in one variable statistics, you can use it to find very many things that your professor or your class will ask you to find.